categories: glue, color, and add-ins, and extras. Oh, sorry, not add-ins, extras. And without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So, we're all gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Okay. I got two. What's two? No!
Normal.
First papers.
Let's review. Scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
So, Savannah.
One!
So that's clear glue. So remember, just put in an acceptable amount of clear glue.
There's no glitter.
Our house peoples.
I want to get shaving.
That's the challenge.
I want to use some more.
Imagine if you got baby powder or shaving cream and you had clear glue. That'd just be a waste of glue.
I know, that's why I didn't
Okay,
do
now,
it.
just Taylor, you have to do it. So, we're just going to go in the same order we already did. So now I'm going to pick my colors. You only get one color. Because, you know. One,
Okay.
which is magenta, which is more like pink. So this is the color that I have. Zoom in camera. So while they go, I'm just going to mix it in.
Okay, I got number. Is it 9? It looks like an A.
Nine.
Nine.
So you get glow in the dark. Clear blue.
Wait,
Okay.
five. Ooh! What did she get? That.
Because if somebody gets 9, then. Number 8, red glitter. I don't personally love
I like gold with this.
glitter in. Oh my god,
That's a taupe. This is
I
gonna
know.
be so
Guys,
sparkly.
don't
Oh my
add
gosh,
them.
mine's not gonna look clear.
Number 5, which would be
Wait, mine is.
purple.
Yeah, after you. Oh. What if you got like really all glitter? No, guys, no. We do one at a time.
No.
No, because then we get 7. Oh. No, that's a 2. That's a 2.
I remember. There's a 2, so you get. No! I wanted it. Ew, look how ugly mine looks.
Oh! It's literally like.
I want fluffadoodles.
It's not.
Pray to the Lord to get fluffadoodles. Ah! I'm not removing mine right now.
It's not boring.
I like
I
Taylor's.
think we're good.
I like Taylor's.
So okay, and then wait. Is this one? Extra.
Yes.
Number 7. Is this number 7 or? Yeah. I put it in mine. I got gold! No!
Oh my gosh, I remember saying that it was gonna look so pretty with mine.
Because it is.
Instant replay to when she said that.
Probably. Mom, I found this. Look what I found.
Then you do one. I hope my next one.
This looks so cool.
Look
Look
at
at
Chrissy, look.
Chrissy, look. Mommy.
You guys aren't even gonna see our slime.
4.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Now I get to pick my last
That's
one.
such.
Oh my gosh, I'm saving for my brother. I get black. Are you kidding me? Mine is gonna look the best. After this video, though, we're allowed to fix the slime. So after this video, I'm probably gonna add in some shaving cream. Alright. I'm not gonna send it yet.
Oh my gosh.
You didn't add in 10 or 11. 9. Shaving cream. Okay, you know what? Let's redo that because she didn't add in 10 or 11. No, you didn't. There's no
Is this
10 or
yours?
11 in there.
Is
There's
this
no
yours?
left.
Is this yours? Is this
Savannah,
anybody's?
just don't. We need to
Hey guys,
redraw.
is this anybody's?
Savannah,
Is this anybody's?
Savannah, we need to redraw this. We need to redraw this because.
Not mine. I did mine. I was gonna put too much. Can I put some more white in? Can I still do that?
Okay, Close your eyes, mix them around, mix it. Okay, so 11 would be baby powder.
Oh, with clear glue. I've never actually tried that.
Can I just put a tiny bit in? Yeah, but it has to be.
Until I can stick this. Oh no, I can't put a lot in.
No, it's not done. Oh, my turn.
No,
Where-
no,
there's
no,
only
no,
one
no.
left.
Yeah, just take that last one. Because I think that might be 9.
It's 9. Because it's the biggest one. I should have gone with this.
I don't care if it's clear.
Ew, I don't like mine. I'm never putting any fluff to mine later.
The bugs are literally coming like into my eye.
Oh, I need to mix this fresh. There's the injuries to make them fun.
That looks.
When it gets mixed in.
That looks like bulky.
Whose looks the thing?
I don't know if mine's.
Actually, no, mine's not red.
Mine is.
Okay, guys, Chrissy made this good. I did some good. I did the mixing. Is it so sticky? So
I don't know how much
it's
slime
really good.
looks.
It's kind of. Actually, I added a little too much shaving cream.
It's kind of hot.
This is my slime.
Cool.